The most significant and consequential in American history. That's how the cyber attack on Change Healthcare is being described by American Hospital Association.
Our hospitals in the Silver State remain at mixed status. While doctors can provide medical treatment, communication systems with partners remain down. This is all affecting patient care at 74% of the nation's surveyed hospitals, with workarounds to issues like prior authorization only being 11% effective, according to the American Hospital Association. 66% of hospitals report the revenue impact is greater than $1 million per day. Only Fox 5 has been following the impact on local home health care workers missing checks. The National Association of Medicaid Directors reports that safety net providers struggle to make payrolls and could be at risk of closing their doors. Change Healthcare is a small prescription processing arm of United Healthcare. It is being reported pharmacy, network, and electronic payment was restored Friday. Well, now the Nevada Hospital Report says once all systems are restored, the problem will not be easily solved. It could take weeks to months to continue to sort out eligibility and claims. Change Healthcare will face a large-scale federal investigation. Nevada Medicaid is providing an email for providers facing hardship, and you can find it on our website, and that is fox5vegas.com.